In this episode, we're exploring an old abandoned house in southern Ontario, Canada. It was a freezing cold winter day, and Carlo Paolozza, RiddimRyder, and myself set out on a full day of exploring abandoned houses. What made this house unique was the several old cars and trucks that peppered the grounds, each collecting rust and encased in a thick layer of ice. Also of interest in this house was an old tattered wedding dress that we found in a woman's bedroom. Come on in, join Carlo, Riddim, and myself on this adventure, and let's go see what kind of trouble we can get into. This video is sponsored in part by Travax. Travax manufactures durable, slim metal wallets and outdoor gear. All Travax products are handmade in the USA and come backed by their 65-year heirloom warranty. Every Travax design is inspired by their greater love of the outdoors. Travax products are built to be passed down to future generations and not landfills. That's the Travax guarantee. Get 10% off of your Travax purchase by using the code FREAK10 at checkout. Hit the link in the video description to shop online at travax.com. All right, there we go. So we're in the kitchen here, guys. What do we got? Black-eyed peas here. Got a jar full of black-eyed peas. And we got some spices here, guys. Check it out. We got your recipes here. Some spices. Flowers. How do they stay alive? It's crazy. There's Rebecca's Jamie right there.
What is up, guys?
Looking out the window. There's this guy right here, guys, the doggo. Newspaper, 1979, June 29th, 1979, guys. Ooh. Look at this.
Whoa.
Hey, fucking axe. Where did that little, here it is. Check this out, guys. It's a shoehorn of a little boy holding his penis. There it is. Watch me get blocked on YouTube for saying little boy penis. Some books here, guys. And then there's a picture of the property back in the day. The trucks are still there. The trucks are here in this picture. You see that?
Are they?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I didn't notice that.
The that old van, that like ice cream van looking thing, that's back there. That's a long time ago.
That is.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna make our way on into this bedroom here. Here's our calendar from 1989. And then this room here's been set up and staged by somebody. We got a baby's crib here. This is a pretty cool thing to have. A little baby's crib. Oh, we got some photo lines, guys. What we got in here? Okay. This is just some newspaper clippings and stuff. Yeah. All right. Anyways, check out the chair there. TV. Trophy. Bookshelf. All right. Coming on into the kitchen here. All kinds of crap on the floor, guys. Take a look over here. Got your pantry here. This goes down into the basement. Not sure I'm gonna go down there. But here we got a pantry and some stuff. We got some relish right there. Got some old cooking utensils here. 1985 Farmer's Almanac. Some pickled stuff. There's a bottle of wine way back there. Looks like it's unopened. Way in the back there. What we got back here, guys? Oh, check it out. Hold on, guys. What is up, guys? We're in the bathroom, guys. Okay? What is up, guys? Here we go. We got all kinds of Old Spice, and we got medicine, and we got some more medicine, and we got some cologne. All right, some flowers, dead flowers, fake flowers, laundry hamper, delightful shower curtain. Okay, let's head back through here, guys. It's a pretty good house. We got a chair. Put my lights on so you guys can see better. There you go. There you go. So you got a chair, and you got a microwave here. Head back into this bedroom here where there's a bed. Check it out. You got your mattress, bed frame. What do you think? Some old letters here. Mail. There you go. Okay, so the upstairs is a bit tricky to get to. So we're gonna do our best to get upstairs and not hurt ourselves. Anything in there, guys? I can't make it in there, so we'll just do that. Okay. So here's the upstairs, guys. We're gonna head up there, but on the way up, you got a bookshelf here, all kinds of books. But look at all the bullshit I gotta walk through to get up there. So we gotta watch our step here, guys. But look, take a look at all these books, though. Take a look, one step at a time here. Who's this? Let's take a look here. Who's this, guys? No clue. Objective. Oh, it's in a self-portrait assignment. Okay, so this is the person who used to live here, and that's a self-portrait that they took of themselves. Unfortunately, I can't tell if it's a guy or a girl. All right, well, we're going to put that right back where we found it, guys. All right, up we go. Be careful. Window's broken, so we got all kinds of snow coming in. Take a look outside. See? Got a map of the world here. Okay. Guys, let's make our way through this bedroom here. Got a bed with a horse head on it. Some school projects. Fisher-Price grand piano. That's nothing. Nothing in here, guys. Just a bunch of crap on the floor. Okay, we got a little bit of a hike to get through here. Crap all over the floor, guys. Oh, man. And check this out, guys. There's an old wedding dress in here. See that? I'll head into the bedroom and get a better look at it. So here's another bedroom. We got an old heater in here. Bookshelf falling apart. And then we got that right there. Chair. All kinds of crap on the floor. There's your bed. And then check out the wedding dress, guys. Isn't that cool? That is super cool. See if I can focus in on some things and get some interesting stuff here for you guys. We've got a record collection on the floor. Psychiatric consultations number 3. That's interesting. And then here, guys, we got all kinds of slides. Photos. Let's see what we can find here, guys. There is an old person doing some farming. Can you see? Okay, actually, let me try this. There you go. There's one right there. What do we got here? Another one. Oh, this one's got some satellite dishes on it. There you go. What's this gonna be? So we got a bit of a photographer who used to live here. Would be really cool to go through all of these and see them all, but there's just too damn many of them, guys. Let's see. There you go. Okay. So that's about enough of that. There's just too many of them to go through. Back here. So maybe that picture that we found was of a girl, because the bedroom up here is a girl's bedroom. And the photography is in the girl's bedroom, where there's a wedding dress and all of the girl's shoes. So I'm going to go ahead and make the assumption that this was a girl who did the photography. Okay? Okay. Okay. Make our way downstairs, guys, and we're going to wrap this one up because we've seen it all. Find the 3-ply, guys, and we'll wrap it up, guys. Oh no! Gotta be careful, guys. Don't want to fall down the stairs.
You go into it or no? I couldn't before because it was all over the road.
Okay, what happened, UBC? As I mentioned earlier, the day that we explored this house, it was very cold, probably -20 and windy. RiddimRyder and I were warm and cozy in our safe winter exploring gear. Carlo Paolozza, wearing his Adidas Italian Guy jacket and running shoes, managed to fall ankle deep into an ice water pothole. Later on, as you're about to see, he also dropped waist deep into another giant snow hole. There is quite literally never a dull moment when you're exploring with Carlo Paolozza.
Look at his arm.
Oh no!
I fell into the hole I fell into was about this tall. I went like this. The snow came up to here and I pulled myself up right away.
I wish I was there for that. I wish you were there for that.
I know.
God, where were you? Okay, what do you think, miss? Can we go see the cars outside? Yes. Okay, we're gonna go see the cars and we're gonna wrap this baby up. Take a look outside, guys. So look at the house outside. We're gonna take a walk up here. We're gonna take a look at the cars for the old car buffs who follow. Hey, UBJ, what do you think of that?
I think it's a good idea.
Yeah. Careful, UBC. Yeah, show us the hole.
Go behind the bug. The Volkswagen.
Back here?
Yep.
No, I'm not going back there then.
I'm going to follow his footprint. He fell like a giant rabbit hole.
Okay, guys, we got a VW van here. All right, check it out. And what are we looking at here, car buffs? This is what is it, a Buick? Oldsmobile? Pontiac. Here it is. Pontiac, right there, guys. There you go. We're gonna head up there. There's an old GMC and a number of other old trucks. We'll go up this way, guys. I don't want to fall, you guys. Dangerous. See, snowy day, clouds. Here you go, guys. Here's your GMC. Last time I found a place with cars on the property, I didn't film them. Felt bad. There you go. Get a good look there. This has been here for a long time, guys. take a look inside. Can't see much. And then over here, got an old Dodge truck. There we go. And then over here we got an old van. Can't quite make out the sign, the logo. Inside you go. Okay guys, that wraps this one up. I'm freezing my balls off. It's cold out here. Hope you guys have liked this one. Straight up ahead, Urbex Jamie, Urbex Carlo. Links down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing. All the links down below. What is up, guys? Shirts, all kinds of stuff. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. This video is sponsored in part by LoomCube. LoomCube lives to help us create better content. They believe limitations shouldn't be placed on our creativity based on the gear we have, the light of day, or the environment we are in. With everything from small, high-powered lights for photography, videos, or drones, to products for smartphones, action cameras, and more, all LoomCube products must fit 4 pillars of product design: portable, durable, quality, and user-friendly. Hit the link in the video description below to shop LoomCube's wide assortment of products built by content creators for content creators. And use the code FREAK10 at checkout to get 10% off your LoomCube purchase on loomcube.com.